everybody, Fantasticairy here, back with another video. In this week's video, I'm going to be painting a wild flower. It's summer here now, and a lot of the wildflowers have been popping up all over the place, which is very beautiful and very inspiring to paint. So today I thought I'd paint a blue bell wildflower. I start off with making those stems nice and thin with my #1 liner brush. You can find all the art supplies I use down below in the description of the video. These flowers have tall stems and they curl at the top where the flower hangs from, causing the stem to droop down just a bit. I wanted to keep the overall look of these flowers very thin and wispy and organic. Here I'm adding in a little bit of characteristics to these flowers. They got little tiny leaves that hang off, almost like threads of the stem. And here I am painting over the stems with a little bit of a darker green, just adding more contrast to the stem. And then adding in some stray little pieces of grass around the flowers. And now I'm grounding those flowers on a patch of grass, using the wet on wet technique and not being shy with my brush strokes, making things look organic, adding in some brown, letting it blend naturally all together. Now the fun part, we're adding in the blue purplish bell flowers. I believe this is my cobalt blue color that I mixed with a little bit of purple, keeping it very light in value at first. I'm using my #1 round brush painting these flowers. These flowers are really fun to paint. They're super cute and really pretty. I go back to my ground level, add a little bit more water to it, and I had this idea of adding in some drops of green and some drops of purple-ish blue in the kind of background of this little patch of grass that these flowers are growing on. Now I'm going back over to the flowers and drawing in some little lines. These flowers are a little bit see-through, so this worked out really well. I'll let you guys enjoy the final reveal, and I'll see you at the end for the final result. Turned out really cool. Personally, I think this would make a beautiful bookmark. I like the colors, the blues, the greens, and the purples, and how they all blend together. Of course, I added in a little bit of yellow to give it some more brightness to it. I'm excited to learn more how to paint flowers in my style, kind of figuring out how I tackle certain shapes of flowers and colors and details. So it's been a lot of fun. That about sums it up for this video, guys. Thank you so much for watching. You can find me on the social medias and the link in the description below, as well as my imprint shop, where you can purchase stickers, prints, mini prints of my artwork that I've done thus far, including my full illustration prints like this one, The Watchful. The mini prints are my favorite. They come with a cute little stand. Link in the description below. If you guys enjoyed this video, please like and subscribe, and I'll see you next week as videos are every Friday. Okay guys, thank you for watching. I'll see you next week. Bye bye!